All right, here we are with the HVAC box from Bill's Cougar. I'm going to pop the clippies, open this baby up so we can see which evaporator we have and just verify evaporator and heater core so we can get those ordered and on the way. 100% for sure. And then we can get this all rebuilt and ready so when the car comes back from paint, which it's going on Monday, it's going over to paint, we'll video that, we can reassemble this. And then 2 weeks after, it's got to go to the top shop after it gets back from paint. So however much we get done between coming back from paint and going to the top shop, we will do, and then it'll get finalized after the top shop. Chrome is looking to be another 4 weeks before they can take it, because they are buried, but that's okay because the car's gonna be at paint, so it's not like we're in this big rush. I mean, we are, but you want to do it right. So without further ado and less babbling, I'm gonna pop all the clips here, and next time you see this, we'll be inside. All the clips, but these two off. And look at the foam in here, how nasty that is. I'm glad we have a full kit that we can order to redo all the foams and seals and all the goodies. So I'm gonna pop these last two clips. We're gonna see what we got, and then we will be going from there. So I'm glad we opened this up, because there is some serious corrosion on our evaporator core. Definitely wouldn't be a very helpful thing to have when we're trying to charge the AC and wondering why it's not working. But there's the actual, look at that, expansion valve, the actual part number. That's pretty good. All right, so we got it all apart, as you can see. Sorry, it turned off there a second. I hit the wrong button. Trying to take a picture of this number, and of course the phone decided to turn off instead. But we got that apart. We know what we need. Happy, joy. Huzzah!